County in northeastern South Carolina until 4:30 p.m. At 3:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hebron, or 8 miles west of Lake City, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles if possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lake City, King Street, Hebron, Keene, Scranton, Coward, Atlanta, and Central Crossroads. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail and slash or wind damage, including trees or large limbs down, by calling the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington at 1-800-697-3901.